Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking the strategy. Identify the audience and primary keyword cluster so every sentence serves search intent. Once done, scan the top 5 SERP results to spot gaps and note common headers. Make sure to craft an outline with H1 and 3-5 subheaders that map to questions users ask, because a clean structure speeds writing and improves on-page relevance. Then pick a primary keyword and 2-3 supporting keywords to weave naturally through headings and the intro. You now write the draft, prioritizing clarity and user value over keyword density. Start strong. Place the primary keyword within the first 100 words and in the H1. Once paragraphs are clear, add subheaders that answer specific queries and insert supporting keywords naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing. Make sure to include 1-3 internal links to related pages and at least one authoritative external link. Finally, format for scannability with bullets, short paragraphs, and a clear call to action. You finish by optimizing technical and on-page elements before publishing. Update the meta title and description to reflect intent and include the primary keyword, compress images with alt text, and confirm mobile load times are fast. Once published, submit the URL to your sitemap and monitor SERP position, clicks, and engagement metrics. If performance stalls after 2 to 4 weeks, refresh content by expanding answers, adding examples, or improving headings. If traffic drops, check indexing and page speed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.